Hello everyone, my name is Chris Medina. This is my blog about intonation workshop, in which I will read two paragraphs with the phonetic transcription. The first paragraph is about the solar system. Here I go, I'm going to read it quickly. The solar system consists of the sun, moon, and planets. It also consists of comets, meteoroids, and asteroids. The sun is the largest member of the solar system, in order of distance from the sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the 12th planet. The sun is at the center of the solar system, and the planets, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids revolve around it. Here we can see a picture related to the solar system. We can see some planets, comets, and asteroids. As I said in the beginning, the second paragraph is about Steve's life. So here we go. Steve was born in Tokyo, Japan. He moved to London with his parents when he was 5 years old. Steve started school there, and his father began to work at the hospital. His mother was a housewife, and he had he lived in England for 2 years. Then he moved to Amman, Jordan, where he lived for 10 years. Steve then moved to Cyprus to study at the Mediterranean University. He did not succeed, and he returned to Jordan. His parents were very unhappy, so he decided to try in America, to many colleges and universities in the States, and finally got some acceptance offers from them. He chose Wichita State University in Kansas. His major was a biomedical engineering. He stayed there for about 6 months, and then he moved to a very small town called Greensboro to study in a small college. Here we can see a picture related to Steve and his family. They look very happy. This is all about my blog teacher. I hope you like it. It was really hard for me. Bye bye.